Hi guys, so the question is which of the following cannot be the probability of an event, and the options are A 1.5, B 3 by 5, C 25% and D 0.3. So now to answer this question we must know the range of probability. The range of probability is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. That is, so now we'll be converting the options B and option C in decimal numbers and determining whether they lie in between the range. So option B 3 by 5 can be written as 0.6 and 25% can be written as 25 upon 100, that is 0.25. So now option B, option C and option D lie within the range of probability that is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. However, my option A, that is 1.5, is greater than 1 and thus it cannot be the probability of an event, and the correct answer will be option A, that is 1.5.